What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Trading Like Magic. And today is August 26, 2021 and we are on greed. CoinGecko today, Bitcoin 1.6% down, Ethereum 1.5% down, Cardano 4.8% down, XRP 4.9% down, Dogecoin 5.1% down, and Polkadot 4.4% down, Uniswap 2.6% down. Big gainers of the day, I see SafeMoon 15.3% up, IOST 7.7% up, Waves 4.4% up, Tezos 3.3% up, BNT 3.3% up. Big gainers of the week, C98 184.8% up, SafeMoon 50.2% up, Avalanche 49.3% up, IOST 47.8% up, DAG 43.6% up, Bitcoin Cash 41.7% up, Tezos 35.1% up. And our biggest losers, AR 25% down, Audio 20% down, Luna 14.9% down, Shiba 11.6% down, Dogecoin 10.2% down, Sushi 9.3% down. So crypto bubbles, this is how it looks like. AVAX, Tezos, Bitcoin Cash, IOST, SafeMoon, and some are red, Shiba, Cell, Luna, Audio, Sushi, Qtom. Okay. Guys, before I go to the chart, if you can like and share my video, guys, it helps the algorithm. Crypto index, I see a wedge here, ascending wedge, and this ascending wedge, there's also another rising, expanding wedge, and my count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are already in the fifth wave. Looks like it's a truncated fifth wave. So we might see the price go down. Let's see. Bitcoin on the daily chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are still on a bull run. So don't worry about it. If you're doing dollar cost averaging, that's great. And Ethereum on the monthly chart, similar to Bitcoin, we are still on the bull run. We are now in the fifth leg, so don't worry about it. So Bitcoin on the daily chart, we discussed this megaphone pattern. We are still on this resistance level here, and we are still on the top of this megaphone pattern. And I see a rising wedge. My count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are already on the fifth wave, so we might see the price go for a correction. With Ethereum on the daily chart, I see expanding rising wedge. On the 4-hour chart, I see expanding rising wedge, and my count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see this channel last time, ascending channel, and it went down. It created also a descending channel, and it went up. And right now, I draw this one, another channel here, ascending channel. But so right now, I see a head and shoulders pattern. So let's see if the price will go down. Dogecoin on the 4-hour chart, I see discount 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I told you guys I already sell some of my Dogecoin here, and it created a ascending channel, and it also created a head and shoulders pattern here. I draw this one ABC, so this one didn't happen yet, but I draw this one ABC. So let's move this one here, and so let's see if the price will go here, somewhere here. If this is the head and shoulders, so your target would be here. Somewhere there. So let's see if the price will fade out. Reach somewhere here at 24 cents. Makes sense. There's another support here, so let's see. Shiba Inu, a target is already been reached from this here. There's a previous high here. It's already reached. Right now it's creating a descending channel. So let's see. Cardano on the 4-hour chart, we talked about this before from my previous video where we were just still here that the Cardano break on this trend line. And our target was the all-time high, and it did. Right now there's a resistance here. Cardano, I see, I think this would be our first leg, 1 2 3 4 5. So we might see another push to the upside, but right now the Bitcoin is going down, so it's hard because if Bitcoin goes down, most of the altcoins go down too. But let's see. IOTX, we draw this one, 1 2 3 4 5. So looks like it went down further, so this count is invalidated. So I'll remove the Elliott wave. And here's the 4-hour chart. And Luna, we passed the all-time high and we are here now. So let's see if the price will go to 21 and go up again. QTOM, I posted this one actually on TradingView. And right now it's creating a descending channel or a bigger flag. So let's see if the price will pop to the upside, but we'll see. Hot on the daily chart, we broke on this trend line and we are here now. Let's see in the 4-hour chart and on the 4-hour chart. So I see a flag formation here. This is a bullish trend, so the price might still go here and go up. We'll monitor the price. Ravencoin price is struggling to go up on this trend line, and I see a flag formation here. There we go. Let's change the color. So I see a bullish flag. We might see the price will still go down before it takes off. I just cannot see the Fibonacci numbers. I don't know why. Somewhere here, I guess. The 0.618 is somewhere here, I guess. So maybe this one is 50. Let's see. Axie Infinity looks like it's creating a ascending channel. Rune looks good. It broke on this trend line. So now this is my count: 1 2 3 4 5. So let's see if the price will go to $12. But if the price go down here at $8, this Elliott wave count will be invalidated. ZRX on the daily chart, I see a support here, so let's see if the price will go here and go down. Right now it's creating a expanding wedge. Let's see if the price will go here at $1.29 and go down. Uniswap on the daily chart, there's a resistance here, but the price tried to break above the resistance, so it broke on this trend line and looks like the price will go down. And there's like a curve here. This looks like also a rising expanding wedge, and it already broke on this trend line here. Sushi Swap, I see ascending channel here, and the price already broke on the ascending channel. SNX, there's a resistance here, and let's see if the price will break on this trend line here or it will break to the upside. MATIC, we broke on this trend line, and right now it's creating a expanding rising wedge. On the 4-hour chart, we have this expanding rising wedge. CRV, we broke already on this triangle here. Right now it's creating a expanding rising channel or wedge. KNC, it already broke on this triangle. Now it's creating a ascending expanding wedge. Litecoin, we broke on this trend line and it's creating a ascending channel, so the price is already tried to drop on this channel. Compound, this one is your ABC. We'll see the 1 2 3 4 5, something like that. We draw this one a bullish flag and it went up. Right now it reached the top of the flag, so right now it's also creating a descending channel. Let's see if the price will break on this channel to the upside, but it's creating a ascending channel. AAVE, we broke on this descending channel here, and right now it looks like it's creating a ascending expanding wedge. And here's the 4-hour chart. Okay guys, if you have cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below, and don't forget to like and share my videos. Bye bye. Thank you.